Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to sign up for Amazon affiliate program. Alright, let's begin. First of all, the Amazon affiliate program is also known as Amazon Associates. So to sign up, open up a new tab and you want to search for Amazon Associates. Then go to the official website. And it's important to note that when you sign up to Amazon Associates, you do it for each different region. For example, here at the moment, I've got Amazon Associates United States selected. To change this, we just go to the top right and then choose the region you wish to sign up for. After that, click on the Sign Up button and then sign in with your Amazon account. After you've signed in, go through the account information section. Choose the address and then you need to choose the main contact for this account. Then you need to choose the websites or mobile app URL where you're going to be promoting Amazon Associate links. I will just enter a random link, but you will need to enter the link to the target platform like YouTube channel. After that, click on Next and we're now setting up our profile. It will then prompt you to enter your preferred associate store ID. Then you need to describe what your websites or mobile apps are about. Just add some information about it and describe what you do. After that, I'll select Content on Niche Website. You then need to select how you heard about Amazon Associates and then agree to the Associates Program Operating Agreement. Once done, finish the process and you can see that my application is now on Enquiries for review. Once they accept it, I will be able to join the affiliate program. So that's basically how you can sign up for Amazon affiliate program. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.